In this video, I am going to show you how to view income versus expenses in Origin Financial. Let's get started. Go to the Spending tab from the main navigation menu. At the very top of this section, you will see a simple summary that shows your money in versus money out. This gives you a quick comparison of your total income and total expenses side by side, so you can immediately see whether you are earning more than you are spending. For a more detailed breakdown, scroll down and open the Reports section inside Spending. From there, select the Cash Flow Report. This is the most complete view of your financial activity because it calculates your net cash flow by subtracting total expenses from total income. Inside the Cash Flow Report, you will see visual charts like donut graphs for category breakdowns and bar charts for comparing different time periods. You will also get a clear summary showing total income, total expenses, and your net savings for the selected time frame. If you want even more detail, you can click into a specific month to view every individual transaction behind the numbers, giving you full transparency on where your money is coming from and where it is going. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.